Chico's on the top. That's his cage. I was gonna wash it, that's why I moved it here. But that's the third bowl. Right here. That's his food. Water, I need to change the water. And then this Chico. Can you say hi, Chiquito? Can you say hi? He does talk. He says hi, but he texts when he wants to talk. Right, Chico? You don't talk when I tell you. Right, you need to talk. Say hi. Hi. Chiquito. Say hi, Chico. Hi, Chiquito. He talks by himself. When he's in the cage here, he'll talk. But he likes to say his name. He's trying to work on another word. I think he's trying to say thank you, his new word. But he says hi too. His name's